In last lesson, we have integrated the MD Bootstrap inside the Wire to Advanced templates. So further, so this is our school management system project. Let me go to the localhost. Why I learn. So this is our project. We in last lecture we integrated the MD Bootstrap at backend. So if I log in, and here we have integrated the MD Bootstrap theme inside the backend of the system. So we have integrated that MD Bootstrap. So we also saw the concept of layout, that our layout consists of that header and footer, and the in between text is dynamic. So we also going to make this menu dynamic, or we are saying a particular menu. So first of all, we choose the best design which is available in MD Bootstrap. So in a backend we need an admin dashboard. So we choose as we integrated all the assets of MD Bootstrap. So first of all, okay. So we need admin panel, MD Bootstrap admin dashboard. So just we need a free theme. So go to home. In a free version, getting started. I think so. There is no proper guide I found for the free version, or we just need the code only. Basic tutorial resources, free templates. Yes, it's Angular. Yes, admin dashboard template. Yes, this one. Okay. So here is a live preview. okay, better we download it. Yes, here is also, but so first I download it. So we have the good view of it, and yes, and I download it. Yes, like this, we want the template for back end. For front end, we use another template that just like this. We have the layout for front end, but what we need, we don't need that horizontal way in a back end. We are in back end, so we need this type of template. So here, this footer, this left sidebar and the top sidebar will be there, and the in between text is dynamic. So just like previously we do it. So let's go here, admin dashboard. So I think we already have this CSS file. So let's right click, open with code. So this is the dashboard. This is the navigation bar left side. This is the sidebar. Then main navigation top bar. So grid draw fade in. So this is the home page dashboard. This text and other things. So this will be the breadcrumb for us. Sales, traffic, orders, issues. Yes, this one left side. Okay, this is the card content. My chart is there. Yes, this is the breadcrumb. Home page and dashboard. Then this is the form. Yes, this is the search button. Yes, end of fading. The grid started fading. This grid view. And another is Lauren, if some dollar. The table is there. Yes, this. Okay, it's also what we do. We remove this thing. Means we put this thing in a index page and other things in layout. So we collect all grid views. So this is the main layout. Okay, we just put all this main layout together and remove it, and I cut it. I also need to open that C drive. Our project has SAM stdocs, and it's inside that why I learn. So I open entire directory in code. So this is our backend site controller, and we had made the back template. Okay, so in a view site, in a main index page, I just going to replace the all content. I just replace it, delete it. I paste this one, the layout one, and I save it. Now here the all remaining thing is header footer, and in between we are going to echo the content. So don't worry, the extension is HTML, that's why, but we just Control A, Control C and paste that in our template, the back template. So we are going to replace everything, because this was the template same as the front end template, but we want different template in the back end. So Control V, I just save it. We also need to check whether these CSS and everything at right place. Let's see, just refresh this and see what happened. Oh yes, it came at right place, but not exactly the right place. There are many things mismatch. I think it gets mixed up with the assets of the front end. So okay, let's see. So in a console, yes, there are some things remaining. Just we had discussed those things in we done the same thing with the front end, but we needed to add that beginning of that some Y code in a layout tag. So I go to that views, not here, in the front end, views, front layout. So first thing I need to add this whole thing before that doc type HTML. So I just so instead of copying it from this side, just we copy from that basic of that. I just copy it, put the entire thing here, save. So I also that yes, beginning of page is done. I also add that app language and so next thing, then now we're okay, it's we gonna to change it later. And then this one, and this is before the end of body. Yes, here, and this is after the end of the HTML page. So I just save it, and still I think we need to have the different CSS things, and cause here if you see it's totally different, or it's just loading, I don't know. Yes, different. So just downloaded this admin dashboard. I just copy all these. Yes, CSS we don't need. We just copy these 4 folders and put them inside the backend web. I just put them all here, and hope yes, 89 file should be replaced. Now just Control plus F5. Yes, now everything is okay. So yes, we got something error here. What is this? Address already sent, PHP. Okay, yes, error occur. Something echo was there. Web view.php. Okay, let's see why this error occur. We go the content here. Yes, here. So in a main, how the content was echo. Yes, it's simple. Also, we need some alert list widgets also. That if you update that bootstrap alert and that breadcrumb. So I just copy these things. And replace this with this one. Now see what happened. So it's okay. Yes, it's at index.php 17. Page number, line number 70. There is error. So let's go index.php and line number 17. We check the echo that there might be here. This render index, the layout is back. Then we have the index page, this dashboard and everything. Okay, we just delete all the things as we don't require this as it is, but we want something like a good one. Just but no, still we have the error. So it's due to which F12. Console get contact. No, this live tool. So in my request, in the headers, nothing has been sent. So respond headers. So from where this coming? We search on Google for it. Headers already sent. This is the report. Okay, so my controllers save as it is, and instead of they say you can ego it. Might this solve the problem, but I'm not sure. But still, we may have the error. Yes, we have still that error. Okay, so one more thing. I think we have to see the index page. Same like that error page. Yes, we need some this title. Okay, this will help. We need to set some title or getting. It was already sent. Backend web index.php. Okay, backend web. Okay, from here we load the configuration. Okay, then response send. Everything is okay, just this we getting this error already sent. Okay, first check it. If you go inside controller and remove this, Okay, it's then normal and it's not showing any error. So this is the fault in that template only, this layout only. Now it's showing the error, but it's echoing everything. But I think here might be something went wrong. So first I just Control X and save it. And so it will render only the page. Still it has the error. So Control Z. So here some assets might be different. Okay, so we need to check this. Input type length in mdjs or index.php cannot set this property. Get element by id my chart, and my chart, this item in index, I think, yes, not here, index, Control F, yeah. The query script, and it should be loaded after the content is echo. So what we can do, if it has length, then only we do this. And where is this script end? These are the scripts. Okay, so what we do, if we have the length, if we have this only, we execute this enter script, otherwise we will not execute it. So this error will go. So how many errors we have? Still we have the console errors. Header, so also we will check whether we have the same error in the front end. No, we don't have this type of error in front end. Why we have this here? This template, and also fix the odd bug in body and everything. need to delete this. So we are dealing with this problem. Sometimes such errors what after you put some characters like space or new line, you need to remove that. Okay, so that might be the issue. So this is our layout. Where is the PHP there? So this is the script. So this ends here, and another script for map. Okay, so let's see. So some white spaces, new lines are doing this error as per their section. I think this might be here or might be near that content. Yes, here might be. No, still we have that error. No luck still. Where is our controller? This is our backend controller, and we not written anything.
महाराज की जय। स्वामी सहजानंद महाराज की जय।
So it's going in a YouTube video.
Huh? You are recording?
Yeah. So still we not able to resolve this issue. If I resolve it, so just this one, and I refresh it, that will fail cookie association cross browser. Still, so I commenting out some part from our back. Okay, so this is our back layout. So what I do, so from the footer I comment out on the footer. So no worry. Where is it? Yes. So I remove this one. So not here, and also something, yes, here. So I am commenting out the entire footer. Save it. So we will not have the footer, and no, that means that error is not in the footer. So I will try to remove the header. The above this is the header. Sidebar and everything we will remove it. So right sidebar, left sidebar, collapse sidebar, navigation, the entire code. Yes, we'll remove everything. So we have commented out header also. Still it shows some error. Also remove this breadcrumb and this other thing. Let's save it. Still we get the error. Okay, the content is there. So I just it is simple. F8. Still the error is there. So okay, I kept all the simple header footer alive. Okay, and save it. Now we will do another thing. So here I will add another layout. It's a test layout, and so we here only echo the content, just like a main. We just simply have only this. Just copy it and put this in a test layout. So it will have only header and footer. Copy, paste it here, and I go to the site controller and I apply the test layout. And so I just refresh it. So there is no any issue. Okay, and one by one we add some lines in a test view from the back. So first I will add this line, copy and paste it in a header. So I'll save it and see if this error occurs. So no any error. We start the head and end the head here. Oh, the main thing, I think we haven't started the body tag here. That's the error. Go in main, end body, just like that. We have the start body, beginning of the body below the yes. So I think we don't need to do much things. This is a silly mistake by me. That's all for that. I go to site controller, I control that, just save it, and we just refresh the page. So still we have the error. Okay, still, so that approach is not working. So just refresh. Okay, no error. So in the back, so don't worry about that. I will give all the code in the first we go in the comment. I will give the download link for the code. It's a doc type HTML, and I just put the head and add the head. I save it. Does it give the error? No, it's not giving an error. So it's okay. Have some assets. Okay. It got some CSS assets that make it beautify in working. So then we have this nav bar. body begin and nav bar. So I copy. So no, first what we do, we start the body begin and body end. Copy. So this is, so we go the proper way, and this is the right way. So here, so now if we see error, we may got the catch the issue. Yes, here is the issue. The main issue is here. So I go to the main page. See, this is the proper way. I just copy it. I paste as it is. So this tag causing the error. Right. To have this tag, do we need something? Oh, we already integrated all those things needed. Also we have the begin page. Okay, I think we missed that begin page. From the main, we missed this one. This is before the HTML tag. So still, yes, that error has been gone. Oh yes. Okay. This is working fine. So is this the same error we have here? Yes, the same error. Oh, just due to this small silly mistake, we have to do all those things. But now I think everything is okay. So I refresh it. Yeah, that error has been gone. So the point was that we have to put that begin page, begin body, end page and end body proper way. So finally we solve it. So that lecture already goes to 51 minutes. So I just close this lecture today. So this is the proper way. So how we integrated that different themes in the. So in a future we are going to use these things like teacher, student, attendance and other things. This is for our school management system. And further things to control the front end. So this is now okay. This is the back end of our system admin panel. We have integrated the empty bootstrap but a different layout in a back end. And if you go here, I will open this one, different thing. A front end. So I go to home. So this front layout. This will be our front end. So we took 3 hours to do this, but It's just for intro. You don't need to do all these things in the proper way. So in while uploading this video, I will give you the link of this zip file. So you just need to extract that file, download and extract. I will also give the database. So you can do all the things in 10 minutes. That you have the bootstrap MD bootstrap integrated in front end back end with different layouts. In the for back end we have the admin panel, and for front end we have the MD bootstrap theme and nice layout here. And this happens easily. The credit goes to this structure that we have the different assets for backend web and front end web. So we not have the any conflict of the CSJS loading and code conflict, means there's a layout code conflict. So we can have the different layouts and different assets. So this is how it's going. So the chart is not loaded here because so early just loading another thing. So in a future, in a further lecture, we will see how we have the charts and everything. So to have these charts and everything, we have to load that JS. After that content is loaded, and we write this, all the code is a separate JS file and load it. We will see it tomorrow in next lecture. Thank you.